how to cash out stocks on Cash App. So if you want to cash out stocks on your Cash App, then first you need to open up your Cash App, which looks like this. And after that, you just need to simply go with the money, tap on the money, which will be on the bottom left. After that, you need to tap on investing and choose your portfolio. You need to simply scroll down to the stocks you own. You'll see a list of all currently purchased stocks. Tap the company. The companies should be listed in alphabetical order. After that, tap on sell and then select the amount. Cash App will offer preset amounts, so simply tap 1 to select it. Enter your PIN or your Touch ID or your passcode. This will confirm your transaction and your stock will be sold. The sales may take up to 2 business days to be deposited in your Cash App balance. You can monitor your other stock investments on the home page under the Investments tab. So that's how you can cash out your stocks on your Cash App. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.